Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mel's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my husband's all-time favorite Jamaican breakfasts. So let's get right into it. Today we'll be making what we call in Jamaica banana fritters, and we will be having that with some eggs. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need to make this quick and easy breakfast. You'll be needing a very ripe banana, okay? You're going to need some flour. You're going to need at least a tablespoon of sugar. You're also going to need a pinch of salt, some eggs. The eggs won't go inside the banana, we're just going to have it separate. And of course you're going to need some oil. You're also going to need some water. So first, what you want to do is to get your little food masher, and we're going to smash this banana up very nicely, as smooth as you can make it be. Okay, we're going to smash this banana, make it extremely soft. When you're done smashing your banana, you're going to need one of these spoons. So what you want to do, you want to get your salt in, get your sugar in, get your flour in, okay, and then you're going to gradually add your water until you reach the consistency that you want your batter to be. Okay, so we're going to gradually add our water in here and mix that up nicely. You're using a little sugar because you want that banana taste to not go away, but to pop when you take a bite. You need to really taste that banana. It depends on the amount of butter that you want. You can add more banana, but I'm just using one because I'm just making this for 2 persons. So I should get at least 10 fritters, 10 to 12 fritters from this amount. So this is what my batter should look like. It should be just like this. It shouldn't be lighter and it shouldn't be heavier. So now what you want to do is preheat your pan, and you also want to make this fry on a medium heat because the banana will burn very easily, so you want to be very gentle with it. And then we're gonna add our oil. You don't want to make them too big or too small, and you're just going to drop at least 5 of them in your pan. Okay, and you want to make them golden brown on each side, so you can gradually turn them until they reach the consistency that you want them to be. And then you're going to get a towel, place it in a plate, and then you're going to put them on it to get all that oil off the fritters. Okay. So there you have it, guys. Breakfast all done. Hopefully you enjoy, and if you ever happens to try any of my recipes, please feel free to go ahead and comment down below and tell me how it went. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.